Purpose and content overview of this channel and video. This declaration confirms the content and fundamental principles of our Yanyin Audio YouTube channel, which conforms to all the principles of EDSA educational content and is primarily aimed at providing valuable information about the technical characteristics of various products. The channel uses music samples as a visual aid to demonstrate these characteristics in their intended context. Music samples are incorporated to enhance the viewer's understanding of the products being demonstrated. The use of repetition allows for effective comparison and evaluation of product features, thus providing clarity and depth to the technical insights shared. In other words, to compare the sound quality of two pairs of headphones, we would use the same audio track. If we wanted to compare a specific pair of headphones with 20 other pairs, we would need to play the audio track 20 times. This would allow the listener to understand how the sound of the headphones being compared differs from that of the others, and thus choose the most appropriate pair. What the user will see when starting any video, two pairs of headphones will alternate on the video, and the soundtrack of each of these headphones will be recorded. That is, the sound recorded in the video being played is recorded from headphones through specialized devices, and the video shows exactly the headphones from which the sound is being played. For more information on the Declaration of Yanyin Audio channel content, follow the link in the description of this video.
پریشان خاطران رفتن تو در خواب، پریشان خاطران the system has got a grip on you, a chokehold. They're preying on the victims, it's all about the money, the power they mold. They make us the demon to bring them a sense of peace. They know what they're doing, the energy choose to release. Clearly not like one of you know, I can tell. No confusion in my brain to know that they don't mean us well. Never fixing problems or suggesting ways to solve them. The system is broken. Good that spreading fear, always lying in my ear, constantly open. When they see us in the light, they don't see nothing right. When they see us in the light, they don't see nothing right. That's what they teach them. Focus on us, history repeating. Yeah. When they see us in the light.